Well, hello everyone. This is Wilson Cole. I'm president of Adams, Evans and Ross and Backdoor Hiring Solutions, and I want to talk to you a lot that I know it seems to be the subject. I've been to a couple of conferences here lately, and the big subject, at least at the recording of this video, is AI and how it's a game changer, and it's going to be the recruiter killer. It's going to put everybody out of jobs, and everybody starts, needing to, come to reality and move on. It's very reminiscent, and I'm going to kind of age myself on this, but I can remember in the 90s and early 2000s, job boards were going to put recruiters out of business because now no one's going to need recruiters because there's job boards. And then recruiters found out how to use those job boards, whether it was Indeed or Monster or whomever. And then the next boogeyman was, oh my God, LinkedIn. LinkedIn is just going to absolutely kill us. It's going to replace us. We're all going to starve in the streets. Our career is finished. And I can attest, and I think you can as well, I think recruiters have benefited from LinkedIn far more than it's been to their detriment. So I am thoroughly convinced, as an industry, everyone's very adaptive. Will AI change things? It very well could, but I don't think it's going to be to the detriment of recruiters. I think it's going to be another tool that you guys can use. And so as you hear the different thoughts on it, and you start worrying, oh my God, we're about to get replaced, it's over, understand this is just another boogeyman that pops up about every decade, and you'll look back in 10 years and realize, oh my goodness, AI was the best thing for recruiting. Now, everybody has their thoughts on AI, and at this writing, I believe one of the lead engineers for Google has just resigned. Kind of was referred to in the news article as the godfather of AI, and he's basically saying we're unleashing, hell on earth with AI, and I'm kind of paraphrasing. So, will AI destroy the world? It may. I'll leave that to people far smarter than myself, but I don't think that it's going to remove the need for recruiters, because at the end of the day, recruiters do what they do and use the tools that are available to them. So hopefully you don't need our services on collections, but if you do, certainly visit us over at Staffing Debt. If you'd like to find Backdoor Hires, which by the way has a lot of artificial intelligence built into it as well, we'd certainly love to show you how the system works and hopefully find a pile full of cash of missed fees. Certainly visit us at backdoorhires.com and set up a demo to speak with one of our folks. Thanks.
Hey guys, it's Wilson again, and this video was brought to you by Backdoor Hiring Solutions. And if you like the content, make sure that you click the like button, and also if you want to receive additional videos, then please make sure to subscribe to our channel. If you'd like to learn more about our software, please visit our website at backdoorhires.com. And then also, if you'd like a copy of my free book, The Top 9 Excuses, please click in the video notes below, and there's a link where you can get this book absolutely free. Just simply pay for shipping and handling. Thank you.